Today I wanted to show you guys this class lesson planner by Christian Liberty Press. This is their second edition, and inside you will find all the forms that you need to plan your homeschool year. So there's forms for organizing your homeschool, for weekly lesson plans, general forms and reports, grading and report cards, and cumulative records. Here's the introduction. And here is, they explain to you how to organize your whole school year. They list a few steps here, and they give you a sample of how to fill out the forms. You can decide on what kind of schedule you're going to have: traditional, modified, flexible time blocks. There's a grading scale, and here is the example that they give you. Here are some scheduling tips at the bottom. There's more helpful hints, creating a portfolio, protecting your rights, and here is a form you can use for extra materials like supplements, chart. So this is the chart where you would record that. You would write the subject, the title of the books, and the purpose for it. So here they talk about planning your high school, and here are the examples that they give you on how to do it. The subjects, credits, and it's divided by each grade. And here you have your blank form. So this one is for high school. So this would be the high school plan that you make. And here it talks about college career planning, and it lists a few steps, other options, and here this is for potential income. So now you have your yearly school calendar, and here this is an example of how you can use this calendar. So there are 12 of these blank sheets. It's one for every month of the whole year. So there's 12 of those. And after that, then you have your weekly lesson plans. And here are some instructions on how to use these forms. And here is the sample that they give you. And then you have the blank sheets. And they go by week. So this is week 1. They have enough of these for 40 weeks. So 40 weeks for lesson planning. You don't have to use them all if you homeschool for less than 40 weeks. And then after that, you have general forms and reports. And here are the instructions. So in this section, you will find a form for, this is the reading log. and you record the books they've been reading. This one is a project log, field trip log, there's a Bible verse, prayer journal, disciplinary action log if you need it. I guess you don't need to use this or any, I mean, you can select the forms that you need and then not use the rest of them. This one is student evaluation log, and it is divided by quarters. Here's the scale. And now we come to the grading and report cards. And here are the instructions on how to use these forms. Here's an example that they give you. So they are divided by quarters, and this is the first quarter. And at the bottom there is a grading scale. Second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. And now we have the report card. These are forms for cumulative records, and there's instructions. So this one here is for your attendance. Physical health report or physician's health report. Certificate of religious exemption. Preschool and kindergarten student evaluation form. So this one just lists things that kids who are in preschool or kindergarten should know, like colors, shapes, alphabet, numbers. And this is a transcript for the elementary grades. So starting with grade K, all the way to 5th grade. And they have grade 6 in the middle school transcripts. Where we live, some elementary schools have 6th grade as part of elementary, and some start 6th grade in middle school. So, but I'm sure you can make changes if you needed to do so. This is the high school transcript. And this is a course record. So you write down all the subjects and books that the child is using during that school year. And that is all. So it has all the forms that you would need during your school year. And this is going to be my first year using this. So I think it would just make it so much easier and simpler, and just having everything all in one book.